This is how you're going to change currency in Hostinger account. First, you're going to head over to hpanels.hostinger.com, and then from here, you're going to head over to this left side menu or the left side panel. Now from here, you're just going to click on websites. Now from the website list, you're going to find the shop that you want to change the currency. So for example, I want to change the currency of this shop right here. You're just going to click on Manage Store. Now once you click on Manage Store, it would usually take you to the store settings. Now what you're going to do is you're just going to click store settings and then click on store details, and then from there you're going to select a new currency from the drop down menu. You must first disconnect all active payment methods in the payment section before you can change the currency. So basically all you have to do is to just go to store settings, find the regional settings, and then click on the current currency, select your desired new currency from the drop down list, and then click or save and update to apply the changes. And that's it. That is how you're going to change the currency in Hostinger account. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.